This one's ready. Cut it. That goes for plywood.
The conveyor steadily moves the wood through the chamber. Hot air vents above force air down, drying the sheets.
This one has a slight defect. Grade B.
Agreed. The grain is uneven. B stack.
Next.
Second round sanding for premium finish, smoothing out the grain. The plywood moisture resistance test begins with a controlled water application. Observe the bubbling and warping, indicating the material's response to moisture. First, dip the brush into the fire-resistant treatment solution. Apply it in even, overlapping strokes across the plywood. This enhances fire resistance.
Line 1 output is up. Check line 2 pressure.
Pressure is stable. Efficiency looks good.
All right, monitor it. Hard hat and gloves. Every time. Glasses on, no exceptions. Discipline keeps us safe.
Here, waste wood is transformed. This shredder processes materials for reuse, reducing landfill waste.
Measuring thickness, 18 tiers, 8%, within tolerance. Final approval, certified compliant.
Stacked plywood ready for global shipping. Finished plywood transforming into furniture vision shot.